Alright guys, welcome to Perfect Storm Trading again. We're going to continue a little bit from what we was doing yesterday and look at the action overnight. Even though it was pretty flat, we're wanting to see how this moon XL line is working out and if it's pulling out these highs and lows. Yesterday we left off at about 130 or so, and we were making a high in here, and I said that we're probably going to pull back to either this 1940 area. Well, it went on past that. We made a little bit better low here on this this green bar right in here, and then we're looking for where the moon's going to correlate with it. So its low is going to be somewhere in here. It ended up being right here at this, right here at the start of it. From there, both of them went up. The green made a peak here, the blue made a peak here. So we made a little peak up here. This wasn't only like a, I think this was about a 5-6 point move, not much. Then the market pulled back a little bit. Again, pretty flat. When you see this green line with very little variations in it, and overnight it was very little variations, the market tends to stay flat. We did catch a bottom here when the moon come down here, and the green line was flat also. We moved up to where both of them was peaking out, which was up in here. Then both of them came down, and the blue made a little bit of a low here at 1033, and this probably was the low in the afternoon session. We made a little bit lower low here at 1150, but from here we were looking to go all the way up till 6:30 tonight, and it seems to be tracking that one out pretty well. At which point, 6:30, if we were making a high, then we definitely want to start looking for this low here at 2050. Both of them make a little bottom here, and the reason I say we want to watch this one, because this one we get significantly better action. Both green and blue are moving up. We should pick back up with some movement far beyond this 10-point chop that we've been seeing over here. So watch this 2050 tonight into at least 9:30, 10 o'clock in the morning, and see if we don't make a decent move up this way. I mean, the volatility is low, but we definitely could make a pretty decent little move back up, enough to make some money off of that. Okay, that'll be all for today, and I'll be back tomorrow with another video. Thanks.